In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from Retool workflows. We'll walk through creating or opening a workflow, choosing the right trigger for your use case, and wiring up the Retool email resource so your messages send reliably with dynamic content. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable setup you can use in production. Start by opening Retool and heading to Workflows. You can create a new workflow if you're starting fresh, or open an existing one if this email needs to plug into something you've already built. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later, and make sure you're in the correct environment if you use separate dev and production spaces. Next, decide how this workflow should run by adding a trigger. If you want emails to go out on a timetable, like a daily summary, choose a schedule and set the interval or cron expression. If you want another system to kick it off, select a webhook and Retool will give you an endpoint you can call. You can also trigger based on other events depending on your setup. The key is to choose the trigger that mirrors when your email should be sent. If you're using a webhook, it helps to define a sample payload so you can reference fields like a recipient address or message content while you build. With the trigger in place, click the connector dot directly beneath it to add your next block. Choose Resource Query, then pick Retool Email as the resource. This tells the workflow that the next action is to send an email. Now fill in the details for your message. In the To field, enter your recipient. You can hard-code a placeholder while testing, or map it from your trigger using variables, for example referencing a value coming from the webhook. Add a concise subject that clearly signals the purpose of the email. For the body, you can write plain text or HTML. If you need formatting, HTML gives you headers, bold text, links, and simple layouts. Most fields support templating, so you can pull values from earlier steps, things like names, totals, or timestamps, to personalize the message. If you need carbon copies, fill in CC or BCC, and if your email includes files, add them in the Attachments field by referencing URLs or file handles produced by prior steps. The From address is configured in the Retool email resource, so you don't need to set it here. Before relying on it, run the workflow with test data to confirm everything renders correctly and lands in the inbox. Check the run logs for any errors, adjust your mappings if needed, and you're ready to ship.